So right under the hood, I'm going to pull off this front engine bay cover. Just like that. Next, remove the 2 intake air ducts. Just like that. The main air intake box. So just lift straight up, and the same from the back, and it's going to come out just like that. And once it's out, flip it. We are going to be removing 1, 2, 3, and 4 on each side. You're going to be needing a T20 Torx bit to open all 8 screws. It's going to come out just like that. And here's the current air filter. And as you can see, after some time, a lot of dust and particles and garbage collects into the airbox itself, and the filter itself is also very dirty. So I'm going to take out both, clean up the box, and replace it with the new green filters. Here are the new green filters, and they install into the airbox just one way. Once it's in place, I'm going to close and reinstall. So this is how simple and easy it is to replace, install, and upgrade your air filters on your Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this video has helped you out, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you.